Have you ever wondered why some people earn more money every year, yet somehow never feel richer? Every raise disappears, every bonus gets spent, and no matter how much their income grows, their financial life stays the same. At first, that doesn't seem like a problem. After all, earning more money should make life easier, right? But for millions of people, the opposite happens. The more they earn, the more they spend. Without even realizing it, their lifestyle quietly expands to match their income. A better apartment, a newer car, more expensive restaurants, nicer clothes, better vacations. Individually, none of those decisions seem extreme. In fact, they usually feel deserved. I worked hard for this. I've finally earned this. I deserve this upgrade. And that's exactly how the trap begins, because every time your income rises, your expectations rise with it. What once felt like a luxury starts feeling normal. Then normal becomes ordinary, and before long, you're chasing the next upgrade all over again. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. It's one of the biggest reasons high income doesn't always lead to financial freedom. Imagine two co-workers. Both receive the exact same promotion. The first one upgrades everything: a bigger house, a luxury SUV, higher monthly payments, a more expensive lifestyle. The second one changes almost nothing. Instead, they quietly invest most of the extra money. From the outside, their lives still look similar, but 5 years later, they're living completely different financial realities. One person needs every paycheck just to keep their lifestyle going. The other has quietly built assets, investments, and real financial freedom. The difference was never the promotion, it was what happened after it. And that's where most people lose their biggest opportunity to build wealth. The strange thing about lifestyle inflation is that it almost never feels dangerous. It usually feels like progress. A bigger paycheck arrives, and almost immediately, your spending rises with it. Not because you planned it, because it feels natural. You tell yourself, I make more now, so I can afford more. And technically, you can, but that's not the real question. The real question is, what is that extra money doing for your future? Because every dollar has two possible jobs. It can improve your life today or improve your freedom tomorrow. Very few people stop long enough to make that choice consciously. Imagine getting a $10,000 raise. One person upgrades their spending until almost nothing is left. More payments, more conveniences, more pressure. The other person keeps life almost exactly the same and automatically invests most of the difference. One decision feels exciting today. The other feels almost invisible, but 5 years later, the invisible decision wins. That's because wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. The wealthy understand this. A raise is not permission to spend more. It's an opportunity to own more. More investments, more businesses, more assets that keep growing year after year. That's why some people earning 6 figures still feel financially trapped, while someone earning much less can quietly become wealthy. Income creates opportunity. Habits decide what happens next. And the habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else is surprisingly simple. They don't let their lifestyle grow as fast as their income, because they know every unnecessary upgrade today can delay financial freedom for years. And that's the mindset shift most people never make. So, how do you escape the trap? The answer isn't to stop enjoying your money. It's to make sure your money grows faster than your lifestyle. That sounds simple, but it changes everything. The next time your income goes up or you receive extra money, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask yourself, what can I own? Because ownership is what creates lasting wealth. Think about Warren Buffett. For decades, his income kept growing, but his lifestyle barely changed. Not because he couldn't afford more, because he understood that every dollar invested today could become many more dollars tomorrow. He wasn't sacrificing happiness. He was buying future freedom. That's the difference. The average person celebrates a raise by increasing expenses. The wealthy celebrate by increasing ownership, more investments, more businesses, more assets that keep producing value long after the paycheck arrives. That's why financial freedom rarely comes from earning more. It comes from keeping more and letting that money keep working. Imagine two people earning the exact same salary for the next 20 years. One spends every raise, the other invests every raise. At first, their lives look almost identical, but time changes everything because every investment starts producing returns. Those returns create even more returns. And before long, money starts doing what hard work alone never could. That's the quiet power of compounding. The wealthy don't become rich because they live smaller lives. They become rich because they delay a few upgrades today to create much greater freedom tomorrow. So here's the challenge. The next time your income increases, pause before changing your lifestyle. Ask yourself, will this purchase make me look wealthier? Or will this investment make me become wealthier? Because every raise gives you a choice. One path creates bigger monthly payments. The other creates bigger opportunities. And over time, those small choices become completely different lives, because the greatest wealth trap isn't earning too little. It's letting every extra dollar disappear before it ever gets the chance to change your future.